Hello everybody, today I'm gonna install some door handles. I'm gonna show you guys how they look like right here. This is what we're gonna be working with. Okay, they're gonna go right here. Question is how I did these, so I'll show you guys right now. I'll show you how to do these here also. Okay, let me just set this just like that. Okay, so here's what I do. Get it very close. Okay, so now I already have this made, but how I did this. So this is what I did. Took a pencil. Basically, you mark the center. You can measure, or I do it like this. Turn it. See, the center line is between them. Okay, now. Okay. You mark the center line one side. Okay, and then transfer this over there. You got equal now. Now you look, see it's off, so you're gonna have to come in a little bit, draw another line. Now see if it's fine. Yep, we're there. A little bit more. Okay. Now, this is what you do. This is the good one. And here. Okay. Again, we're drilling holes on this hole and on this one. Using this one. This is a little bit bigger than this, so you know, you see it. And of course we got plenty of room here in case we need to adjust. Okay. This is size 316. 316. Put this here. This one. Be careful on your finger. It's two. Right where we want it. To test it out, you can put the screws to it. Okay. Then see, it's fine. And then what I did is I took this and just center it over here. And over here, same thing, just center it out. You can, leave some space. See, then you move it up or down. Press on it, and then drill, and then drill this one too. This already has the holes. But right now we're gonna work on this one. So I already talked to the homeowner about this one here. And of course I like to put them right here, not on the corner, always with this line, either center or below it. So below this line. Okay, so I got the approval from a homeowner. This is where she wants also. So now see, I'm coming with this one right there. It's gonna be okay. Now it would have been nice if I had a longer one and align that over here. Usually I have a longer one, but this job. So because I don't, I'm gonna use a tape measure. Okay. check. This one goes right here. Okay. So put it between center. Okay, and now look at measuring 2 inches. So I got 2 inches from here to here, 2 inches. So I'm gonna have to have 2 inches here also. Now I'm ready to drill. It's aligned. Okay. If you want to clamp, you can clamp. Make sure the door opens, you know, like this, so you don't drill on the wrong side. Okay. 2 inches. Right here. Now you can realign again. See, make it straight. Opens. Again, we're doing 2 inches. See that 2 inch? Right there. Good. Okay, now the rest is piece of cake. Okay. Switch. Put this one on. Twist it just a little. Loosen this one. Okay. Seems like this one's a little lower than it should, so I have to re-drill and keep it tilted. Keep it tilted down. Sort of on an angle. And I guess we'll be with this also. Okay. Okay. Try again. Where's the other one? Right here. There goes one. Okay, one more. There we go. Okay. Make some adjustment. was not aligning straight, but now we got it. Okay, let's see. The handle. Okay. So that's that. Put these on. So these, they come longer. See, they come longer, but then you can cut them over here with the plier. So that's what I did. Cut all of them. Put them in inside. Okay. One is ready. I mean, this is the third one. Okay. Okay, and the last one, the fifth, the last one right here. Okay. And after this, I'll work on the faucet. Nice and beautiful. Door handles. Door handles has been installed. Good job. And now next part is the faucet. You guys like my haircut? My wife did that for me yesterday. All looking fresh. Good job. Well, thank you guys, and click on the next video so you guys see how I install a faucet. Thank you, and see you guys on the next one.